Is it possible to drink a lot of water and yet avoid those annoying nighttime bathroom trips to urinate? The answer might surprise you. In this video, I'll show you how to give your body as much fluid as it needs, contrary to what everyone else is telling you, in order to stop nocturia. There's a common misconception that overactive bladder, or waking up at night to urinate, is solely due to drinking too much water. But here's the intriguing truth. Your body's need for fluid doesn't just pack up and leave when the sun goes down. In fact, the issue of nocturia isn't just about how much you drink, it's a dance of circadian rhythms, kidney function, and hormone production. Yes, you heard it right. Your body's internal clock plays a significant role in this nocturnal nuisance. So, before you start rationing your water intake or planning your bathroom trips, remember, nocturia isn't just a too much water problem, it's a complex interplay of various bodily functions. So, if it's not just about how much you drink, what else could be causing your frequent urination? Let's delve into the human body's fascinating rhythms. You may have heard of the circadian rhythm, our body's natural clock, but did you know it also affects your kidneys and urine production? This internal timekeeper is hard at work in your body, right down to the cellular level, influencing the function of your organs, including your kidneys. Let's delve a little deeper. The circadian rhythm influences the efficiency of your kidneys in filtering fluids and producing hormones. This is due to the regulation of circadian clock genes in various cells, particularly in the kidneys. For the first 10 hours after waking, your kidneys are in peak performance mode, efficiently processing fluids. However, as the day progresses, this efficiency naturally decreases. This is your body's ingenious way of preventing excessive urination during the night. It's like a built-in mechanism to help you get a good night's sleep. Isn't that fascinating? So, our body is naturally designed to reduce nighttime urination, but then, how can we work with this natural rhythm to further reduce frequent urination at night? Now that we understand the role of our body's natural rhythms, we can take practical steps to reduce nocturia. Firstly, it's crucial to ensure sufficient hydration during the daylight hours. This might seem counterintuitive, but here's the logic. Your kidneys are working at their peak during the first 10 hours after you wake up. So that's the optimal time to hydrate. By doing so, you'll be quenching your body's thirst when your kidneys are most efficient at processing fluids. That means less thirst and less fluid intake later in the day. Secondly, reduce your fluid intake as the sun goes down. Remember, your kidneys' efficiency decreases as the day progresses. So, the more fluids you consume in the evening, the more likely you are to wake up in the middle of the night. Thirdly, when you do need to drink in the evening, aim to limit your intake to around 5 to 8 ounces. And here's a pro tip. Opt for sipping rather than gulping. This slower intake can help your body manage the fluid more effectively, reducing the need for those pesky midnight bathroom trips. These 3 practical steps are designed to work in harmony with your body's natural rhythms. By aligning your hydration habits with your kidneys' circadian rhythm, you can significantly reduce nocturia. By following these recommendations, you can work with your body's natural rhythms to reduce or even eliminate those disruptive nighttime trips to the bathroom. So there you have it. The secret to reducing nocturia isn't drinking less, but rather, drinking smarter. Remember, it's all about timing your fluid intake, understanding your body's natural rhythms, and making small but significant lifestyle changes. No more midnight bathroom trips disrupting your sleep. No more myths clouding your understanding of nocturia. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to click on the end screen for more fascinating insights into our body and health. Together, we can debunk health myths and make informed decisions about our well-being.